Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Bishop's DIY Auto Repair. My name's Tyler, and in this video we're just going to go over a little bit about what my channel's about, what we're going to be doing in it, future videos, what I have planned and where I plan to go with it. So stay tuned, we'll get right into that right after the intro. Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about a little bit about my channel, where I plan to go with it, and what I plan to do in future videos. To get started, first off, when I first started working on my own car, I knew nothing about it. I used to have to take it to mechanics, get charged, labor cost, all that type of different stuff. Eventually I got tired of paying those high costs. I started working on my own car, and learning more about it, and learning the process of diagnosing and figuring out why something's happening or what's going wrong. But the whole point of why I started this channel is to hopefully save you as the viewers thousands of dollars in repair costs. I can't tell you how much I've saved just doing my own work by learning. I've learned off YouTube. I've watched multiple different channels. So obviously don't just look at my channel, look at other channels, see what they have to say. Everybody does things different. On my channel, my whole point is to learn together. That's what we're going to be doing. As far as future videos go, I do plan on doing some lighting in my car. I have some pretty cool ideas for that. I think you guys will really enjoy that one. And it's going to be, a pretty manageable expense to, add some lighting into your car or vehicle or whatever you have, to be honest, as long as it has 12-volt power or whatever, it'll work. I'll show you that. I'll upload that video as soon as I get the rest of the stuff that I need for it. I do want to get a project car, start working on that, doing videos on that, possibly pulling the engine, working on that, rebuilding it, getting it looking good. Maybe sell it, maybe keep it, I don't know. Depends on different factors in that. I know as far as probably videos in the next couple weeks or in the next week, I will be doing a thermostat replacement in a truck that I've actually already got a video up for the DEF tank heater. And if you guys haven't seen that, I'll leave the link down in the description for you so you can check that one out. So I'll be doing the thermostat on that. Probably a brake job on another vehicle. Yeah, I've got quite a few things planned that I can do for you guys and hopefully get you guys to save thousands of dollars. But if you're interested in this content and would like to stick around for future videos and see where this channel goes, make sure to subscribe. And also, if you have any ideas, go and leave them down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys, what you guys would like to see me do. I'm open to possibilities, so let me know in the comments. And other than that, we'll catch you later in the next repair.